crazy right now, guys. Trust the process, you know. Mixtape coming soon. Ball is life. Trust the process.
Take you this too hard.
I'm gonna go in with my Slush palette by September Rose Cosmetics. We're gonna start off with this yellow shade, and it's called Banana. And we're gonna just put that. We're gonna just put that in our crease, I guess. Oh, I didn't tell you guys the kind of look I'm going for. Last night I did a look inspired by the Drip Harder cover by Lil Baby and Gunna, and it came out so good, but then I messed it up by applying. First I put too much glitter on, and then I tried to work with it, and then I messed it up with the eyeliner because the eyeliner was like picking up the glitter, and it went from bad to worse. So I think I want to redo a look using the color, like do another look using the colors from the album cover, but I don't want to do the same exact look, you know. First of all, this is my first time using the yellow shadow in this palette, and it's bomb. This palette is bomb.
If you guys see this yellow, you know how hard it is for a brand to come out with a nice yellow, especially one that shows up on you know, tan to deep skin tones. Like, this is crazy.
So now I'm gonna take this green shade right here, this like lime green. It's called Coconut Lime, and I'm gonna take the same brush. I'm not gonna bother cleaning it off just because I'm lazy. So, and I'm gonna put that like right under the yellow. I don't know. I want you guys to let me know what kind of yo, this looks mad good. This looks super good. Let me know what kind of like videos you guys would want to see, because I don't know if you guys really want to see me do my makeup every week, or if you guys want like challenges, or I don't know. Okay, so now I want to darken this up just a little bit. It's a little too light green. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I wish I didn't have hooded eyelids. Like, my life, I feel like I'm too talented for the lid space God gave me. I think he could have went and gave me some more lid space, but clearly he knew I wouldn't know how to act, so he gave me these tiny lids. But guess what? I'm still finessing them. Yep, sure I am. You're not gonna know how okay, I have a really serious question. I saw this post the other day saying that the word chinky or chinky to describe your eyes is like a racial slur, and it's supposedly like the same thing as saying the N-word and all this. So I really need to know if that's accurate, if people are really, whoa, I hate when this happens. This side is so much darker than this side. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
That's the biggest fuck up. I'm sorry.
Okay, forget everything I was talking about. We gotta fix this. I think I'm gonna use another e.l.f. blending brush. This one's just bigger, and try to blend this out because it's way too dark now. I need it to be as light as the one on the other side. So it is darker than it was on this side, so since I can't make this side lighter, I'm gonna make this side darker. That's all you gotta do, guys. Now we're gonna do my favorite part of doing my makeup. I'm gonna take this brush. This is my favorite brush right now for cutting the crease, carving my crease, whatever you want to call it. This is the Royal & Langnickel Zen number 6 paintbrush. Now I'm really Picasso. Now I'm really Picasso. Anyway, so I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer. This is in the shade C2. That's my pants. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a more in-depth, like hooded eyes, how to finesse the lids type of tutorial, because I have a lot of tricks and techniques that I think would be really helpful. Sorry about the crease. I can't talk while I do this, so you guys just don't have to watch. Maybe I'm definitely talking. Okay, let me shut up. I'm gonna start messing with the outer corner now. I want to darken this up a lot, so I'm gonna use black. I'm gonna go in with Obsidian from my Anastasia Prism palette. I'm gonna take this like smudger brush, liner brush, whatever, from Unwild and take Obsidian. And I'm gonna start to put this just on like the outer wing portion. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I'm gonna take this, the little e.l.f. brush again, to blend this upwards into the green. You know what's crazy? Adding this black here and blending it, I didn't know this was gonna work. Like, I was low-key really scared. I was like, yo, what if it doesn't blend? What if it doesn't look right? Like, then I'm on camera doing this, like, oh my gosh, but this is blending amazing. That's another thing about the Slush palette, is that the shadows blend well. I'm witnessing it now, I didn't know this beforehand, but it blends well with other shadows, and they blend well in general. Like, they're just, she really went off. I hope she drops on another palette. I'm gonna take this little shimmery white color called Coconut Milk, and I'm gonna put that in the inner part of my eyelid. So now I'm gonna take a shimmery green color. So I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Star Studded palette, which I've had this palette for a minute and I literally never even touch it. And I'm gonna take the shade Cult, and I'm gonna start to put that over here in the middle of my lid, so it's like almost a gradient. I'm gonna take this darker green next to it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's in the shade Craft. So I'm gonna take that darker green and put that between the light green and the black, just so we have a nice blend, you know, so we really have a sort of gradient effect, which is kind of what the album cover had. Listen, I can't do my eyebrows, I can't, but you know what I can do? You know what I can do? I could blend some eyeshadow. I could blend some, can't do my eyebrows. Can't, I'm sorry, I'm not good at it. Some days are better than others. But I could do my eyeshadow. So, I don't want to bore you guys doing both eyes, so I'm going to go finish this eye, and then I'll come back and I'll talk more crap while I do my base makeup. Guess who's back and better than ever? I had some minor complications. I had to like take the whole eye off and do it again, but I did it. But I'm here. Now I'm going to start my foundation. I'm going to use my Hangover RX primer. I haven't used this in a minute. So yeah, I'm just gonna prime my skin. Today I'm gonna be using my Hourglass stick foundation. Oh my gosh! You guys! I forgot. Oh my gosh. I've been using the e.l.f. booster drops. These are the sun-kissed ones. Is that a piece of hair? Oh, it's like in the cap. That's gross. Okay. I've been using these e.l.f. booster drops with my before putting primer, and it makes my makeup look so good. I know I just put on primer, but I'm still gonna put these on because these are literally the bomb. It just makes such a difference, okay? Because I did my foundation without it one day just to see if it was really doing something, and I was so disappointed. So anyway, I'm gonna rub that in. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a more in-depth foundation routine. I like full coverage foundation, but I like it to look like skin. And my friend Kiana, she swears that's not possible, but I'm gonna show you guys how it's possible. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So this is the Hourglass stick foundation. This is in natural amber. I hope this matches me. Let's hope. Yeah, it does. So now I'm gonna take my wet beauty blender, and what I also did, which made a big difference in my foundation, I took some of the booster drops on the back of my hand. Yeah, I took some of the booster drops on the back of my hand, and then I put it on the back of the beauty sponge, and I blend out with that, and it makes such a difference. Okay. I think I gotta film like a for real foundation routine for you guys. I need you guys to recommend and tell me like your favorite like inexpensive beauty sponges. Do not say Real Techniques. I do not like those sponges. I don't like them. Please do not recommend them. Oh my gosh, do you guys see how it looks like skin? Like, it looks so good. I'm gonna go over with another layer. I really have such a bad attention span. Forehead. And you guys see it doesn't look like super cakey or anything. So I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Butterscotch. This shade is really it's actually really close to like my actual skin color. It's just, yeah, it's close to my actual skin tone. I don't like the super bright under eye look. It's just, it's not me. I don't know why I'm doing that. I wasn't supposed to do that. I don't like it. And then I'm gonna also go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. This is in the shade number 5. And I'm just gonna put that over because this actually is more of a highlighting shade and it's a glowy kind of concealer. Oh, it looks so good together. They're made for each other. And Beauty Blender. You already know I gotta go in with the booster drops, the Sunkissed. I don't even know what this is, but it just does something for me. I'm trying to get all up under where there was the Kat Von D shadows had a little bit of fallout. Another thing, the Slush palette by September Rose Cosmetics doesn't have fallout. Did you guys see any fallout? Exactly. Only fallout I had was from the Kat Von D shadows. Okay, so now to contour. I'm gonna use my L.A Girl Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. This is the only concealer I've ever contoured with. I don't even own another contour shade. I'm not mad at this, to be honest. I have a nice nose, to be honest. God bless me, he made my nose. Debate your mother, not me. I'm gonna actually go down and highlight my nose with the L'Oreal Infallible in number 5. That wasn't good at all. What the hell is, what is this? Oh no, see, look. Y'all wanted me to take it off and fix it again. Y'all crazy. I don't usually bake, but what I do is this is the Maybelline Fit Me powder in toffee, and I'm going to take that on my wet beauty blender, and I'm going to kind of just press that into my skin. So I'm going to take this silver from the Kylie Holiday something, I don't know, and the eyeliner brush. Yes, silver. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. I guess I gotta have like I can't do a gold highlight, can I? Do I even like the silver like this? I'm gonna spray the Hangover RX spray to because we just applied all that powder. Okay, so now that my face is set, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Coral Cove blush. Whoa, I didn't need all that, chief. I didn't need all of that. I didn't need all of that. I did not ask for all of that. I just asked for a little. I feel like a beauty blender fixes everything, honestly. I'm using MAC's Oh Darling. I don't know why I thought this was called Whisper of Guilt. Do they have a highlighter called Whisper of Guilt? Or did I just make that up? Someone has one. Look how beautiful she is. I'm gonna use this fan brush. This is from wish.com. I got this years ago for like $1. You guys, oh my gosh. Alright guys, so this is the final complete look. I had to pop up with the hoops. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming. Don't forget to leave video suggestions. Also, let me know what you thought of the look. I appreciate your feedback. Also, don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Instagram and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
You niggas fell off and you never recover.
puddle, so hot, take and wait till it bubble. Y'all gonna, I made this shit double. Hitting Leonte and left with a puddle. It's me drinking, baby, you know you in trouble. Run up my check, my bitch sprinter the shuttle. Samples of M by the bin for my brother. Painted all black, the